What is up, future mobility fans, and welcome back to the channel. We all know Yamaha for their legendary motorcycles, the R1, the YZ, and so on. But they've just unveiled something at the Japan Mobility Show that completely redefines urban electric fun. This isn't a bike, and it's not quite a car. It's the Yamaha TRICERA Proto, and it's the ultimate expression of personal freedom in a rapidly automating world. In an age where every EV is getting bigger, heavier, and more screen-focused, Yamaha is going back to basics, focusing on kando, that Japanese feeling of deep satisfaction and excitement. The question is Yamaha's electric three-wheeler the ultimate urban EV? We're diving deep into the tech, the design, and the pure fun factor of this incredible prototype. The TRICERA Proto is a two-seater, open-cockpit autocycle. It takes the best cues from classic three-wheelers, like the Morgan, and blasts them into the future with Yamaha's signature sharp styling. But the design is about more than just looks. It's an immersion concept. There are no doors and a very low-cut body, designed to make you feel connected to the environment around you. The experience is meant to be social, exhilarating, and raw, closer to a motorcycle ride than a car commute. Inside, the cockpit is driver-focused. You get beautiful, dark red bucket seats, a minimalist dashboard, and even gold paddle shifters, a subtle hint that this vehicle is engineered for engagement. This is a machine that rejects the autonomous future and places the driver firmly at the center of the experience. Now, let's talk about the technology that makes the TRICERA Proto a true revolutionary. Three-wheel steering 3WS. Traditional trikes, the Delta design with two wheels in the front and one in the back steer, only with the front two. The TRICERA has a fully operational system that allows the single rear wheel to pivot as well. This changes everything about handling, especially in a city environment. And here's the best part. Yamaha gives you the option to manually control the rear steering. This isn't just a convenience feature, it's a skill you can master. It speaks directly to Yamaha's core belief. The joy is in the mastery and the sense of unity between driver and machine. Of course, the TRICERA is an EV. While Yamaha hasn't released the detailed specs, things like battery capacity or motor output, we know a couple of key things that set it apart in the electric landscape. First, the core power comes from a silent electric drivetrain, perfectly suited for zero-emission urban travel. But as a company with a rich heritage in engine sound, Yamaha knew they couldn't just have a silent EV. That's where their adaptive sound system comes in. The TRICERA features technology that modifies the tone of the electric powertrain, creating an immersive and emotional driving experience. It's the sonic feedback that gives you an organic connection to the throttle and the speed, preventing that often sterile feeling of traditional electric cars. They are literally engineering the kando back into the EV. The Yamaha TRICERA Proto is more than just a concept, it's a statement. It's Yamaha reminding the world that even in the shift to electrification, the joy of driving, that kando, is paramount. It's a gorgeous fusion of motorcycle agility and lightweight car stability. With its advanced three-wheel steering, its focus on sensory engagement through adaptive sound, and its truly open cockpit design, the TRICERA Proto absolutely deserves the title of the ultimate urban EV. It makes the daily commute an event and redefines what fun mobility can be. What do you think? Would you master the manual rear steering? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next ride.